Aayubowan. My dear students, today we are going to start grade 6, chapter 1. I think you all have some maybe passed grade 5 scholarship exam or not. Anyway, you have done lot of things, lot of works to achieve grade 5 scholarship exam. Don't forget it now. You have done all the works, but if you couldn't pass the exam, don't worry about that. Now we are going to start your second chapter of the life. Now you are going to start to study for your second exam. This is also very important, this oral exam. Therefore, you need to more focused from grade 6 to grade 11 to pass oral exam. The mathematics is the very important part for you to pass the oral exam. I know that you have strength to work from grade 6 to 11 because you have done lot of things from grade 1 to 5. Focus on the scholarship exam. Therefore, what we are doing is from grade 6 to O level, we are improving your mathematics knowledge step by step. We hope from this channel to teach every and each chapters from grade 6 to all over. Therefore, please if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe below subscribe button and the bell icon. Then once we uploaded a video, then you can get the notification that is related to you, your grade. You can learn from these videos free of charge. Okay, let's start your grade 6 first chapter, that is circle. Very simple chapter called circle. Circle means, you know, we are calling singular rauma. We are calling singular rauma. In this chapter, we hope to study about circles. Under this one, the main thing is you need to understand what the circle is. What the circle is. Circle is like rauma. We are calling singular rauma. You know that. What are the circular shapes? You need to know what are the circular shapes. That's also a very important part in this chapter, Buddha. CD. CD is a circular shape. There's a circular. Clock. There's a circular shape. Wheel. Any vehicle wheel is the circular shape. Right? Any, those are the drum. Drum is the circular shape. Right. These are the examples for circular shapes. You need to have an understanding about circular shapes. When we are telling circles, this is new for you because from grade 1 to 6 you have learned in singular. But now we are going to start in English medium. You have to learn new words. Sometimes those are not familiar for you because you are in grade 6 and the beginner level. But when you are going 7, 8, these are very simple. These words are familiar for you. Therefore, in this grade, I have to explain some words in singular because that is very simply you can understand. Then you can understand very simply. That's what I am going to tell some words in singular also. Circle means urtha. Circle means urtha. නැත්නම් රවුමකට කියනවා අපි ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙන ගත්තේ රවුමක් කියලා. In singular word is circle is meaning is the urtha. Right? You need to understand the circular shapes. I think that you have that knowledge. Right? Then we'll see. Okay. Then we know that we need to understand about the circular shapes. Right? In this chapter, Puta, you have a few experiments to do. Right? Few experiments to do in this chapter. Right? We will draw a circle first. Circle. This is a circle. This is a circle. You know. This is a circle. We are calling circle. Like a single kira turtha. Okay. Right. And in this chapter, Buddha, you have, I think you have knowledge to understand the circular shape in your environment. That's very simple thing. They are telling you to do an experiment. This experiment is very important for you, right? Using a cup, any cup you can take, circular face with the circular face. Draw a circular shape on a piece of paper. You need to get a piece of paper and draw the circular shape using a pencil. Again, you can take cup and put that on a paper. Then draw around the cup. Then that you can create a circle on that paper, right? Separate the circular part, cutting along the curved line of the circular shape. Then we obtain circle lamina. You can get the circle part by cutting along the drawing line. Okay. Right. Now they are telling fold this circular lamina as shown in the figure. You can see your textbook figure, so that it is divided into two equal parts. You need to turn this one. If this is a circle, you need to turn this one along like this. That should straight, and that should be symmetrical. That should be symmetrical. That line should be same on the same edges. That curve shape should be the same edge. That's very important. Turn that one. Again, what you want to do? Again, turn another side. If you turn this like this, you need to other side. Please do few times from the various places this circle. When you are turn this one like this, when your circle is equal to and you need to draw the line along the mark, crush mark. You can do like this straight mark. When you are drawing, fold this one, there is a mark. You need to draw the line along this mark, and again turn to the other side. Need to draw the line along the mark. Likewise, you need to do 3 or 5 times in this same thing and draw lines. You can see what are the observations you can see in this. What are the observations? You can see all the lines are passed through the same point. All the lines are passed through the same point, like this. Like this. When we are drawing like this, I will draw this dot line like this. This is your one pencil line. Other one, when you are drawing this one, like this one, like this one. And you can see the all lines are go through one same point. You can observe this one. You can observe this one, and also then after that, please measure the length from this crossing point to the curve line. This length you can measure, and any point of the circle you can measure from curve line to this point. You can measure. When you are measuring, you can get in another special method. These all lengths are same. These all lengths can be bigger. Lengths can be bigger. All lengths are equal. You can measure this. Measure like this. Then all lengths are equal. That's also that's also our observation. All the lines are going through the same point, and the length from that point to curves line, when we are measuring any point, any place, the length are same. That's also our observation. Okay. That's experiment you need to do at home or at home. Yes, you can do that. Right. Activity 3. Draw a circle exercise book. You can draw a circle using circular shape. Any circular shape you can use. In the grade 8, 9, 10, you have to use compass. In this case, you are not using the compass. When you are going to 7, 8 higher grades, you have to use compass. Alright. Okay, we'll draw a circle like this. They are telling you to mark a point like this. Mark a point like this. Mark a point like this. This point inside the circle. This one on the circle. Urte mata. On the circle. Outside this circle. This also you need to know. What is the inside of the circle? What is the on the circle? What is the outside of the circle? This also you need to understand. You should have a knowledge to understand this also. Right. This is also things they are checking from this chapter. Okay. They have given exercise 1.2. You have to, that's a simple exercise. You can do that one. I will explain you the fourth one. That I think I want to explain that one related to this example. In this figure, which letter indicate or position inside the circle? You should have a knowledge to understand the points inside the circle. Inside the circle. Inside the circle. What are the letters? P, A, O. Points are inside the circle. I think that is very clear. Inside. Athule. Right. Which letters indicate positions on the circle? A line circle like a line like a wood on the circle. Line like a wood. The points. What are the points? X, B, L, and E. Points are on the circle. On the circle. Eka wood thiyenne. Mata. Right. Which letters indicate position outside the circle? That is not inside. That is not on. Or outside. LEA. Circle like LEA. K. Only K. Only K is outside the circle. In this chapter, that knowledge you should have. That knowledge you should have. Right. Others you can do, Puta. Same question is the in fifth question. Look at this, Puta. Fifth question also same question. You can do that also. Right. Now next they are telling creating circular designs. You can use circular shape. You can draw some designs. We will explain one design, Puta. Activity 4. Activity 4, what they are telling. Activity 4. What they are telling is. What they are telling. Right. Draw a line. Take a coin and keep to touch this line and draw around the coin. And also you can move coin little bit length here, distance here, like this. Move left side and draw again. Do the same thing few times. When you are drawing using the coin, you can draw a perfect circle. These are not a perfect circle. I am telling the method. When you are using coin and drawing circle, that's all. Those are very perfect, right? When you are doing 10 to 20 times, that is a pattern. Very that will maybe a pattern, right? That will be a pattern, right? Design, right? That is the design, right? Those things you need to have a knowledge, right? Those are the things. under this chapter, Puta, very simple chapter. After learning this, study this one and do these activities. This is more focus on the activities. Those activities need to do alone and take the understand. From this chapter, you need to know what are the circular shapes. To understand the circular shapes, what is the circle? Circle කියන රවුමක්. රවුමක් කියන්නේ ඒක තමයි වෘත්තයක්. ගණිතය අපි කියන වෘත්තයක් කියන. රවුමක් කියලා කියන්නේ ගණිතයේ වෘත්තයක් කියනවා. In English, circle. You should have a knowledge to understand circular shapes. Other one, how and also you should have a knowledge ability to understand the points inside the circle, the points which are on the circle, the points which are outside the circle. That knowledge should be you should have a knowledge to understand those points. Other thing, using these circular shapes, draw designs. These three things you need to know after learning this, studying this chapter. Very simple. Do this, get this into your mind, and we will meet, Puta. I think this is very clear for you. If you have any concern, please comment on this video, below the video. I will what are the areas that we want to improve from this class. There's those suggestions, and if you have any fault or anything, you can comment anything in below the video. Then we can improve my teaching methods using your comments. Based on your comments, we are trying to give my best. I'm trying to give my best to deliver my best to students. But I don't know that happened or not. But I think that is there. Okay, Puta. We will meet from the next chapter, chapter 2. Then do this exercise and practice. Okay, Puta. We will meet from the next chapter. I go on.